Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one. Big volume, big price movement all over the place. Although within today, a very interesting movement because the bulls showed up. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but then the price was able to bounce its way back up to that area. Now, don't get me wrong. Yes, from an overall standpoint, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But my point here is that from at where it was at its low to where it ultimately closed, nice little move here, but that brings about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but it's at least worth questioning and worth, mapping out moving forward. And there's a very important level that, in my mind, can help making, mapping out this very straightforward. And that area is right here at $2.18. Why is $2.18 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just from an explanation standpoint, let's say the price comes down to $2.18, behaves like that, and then continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, you would have the price quite literally right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, nothing can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes back down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows right there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined at $2.18. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key battleground to watch now moving forward, you're going to be right up there at $2 and let me just make sure. Yeah, $2.42. So keep a close eye on 242. But all in all, very nice bounce today from those lows. Now it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon that bullish bounce moving forward. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.